and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya hosts ski workshop on air pollution under NCAP. Awareness meeting on rabies held at Ryangdo Market. Panalyar Dorbar Shillong meets MCH hospital authorities over job recruitment. And registered pharmacists of Meghalaya raise concerns over job suspensions. And now the news in detail. In a significant push for cleaner air and sustainable industry, the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, alongside the Forest and Environment Department, organized a workshop under the National Clean Air Program (NCAP) at La Nicolas Dakine Resort, Ombir. Sponsored by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the event convened experts, policymakers and industry leaders to discuss regional air quality changes and emission control strategies. Dr. G.H. Chirmang emphasized Bernihad's unique position as a border industrial hub and called for interstate collaboration with Assam for effective air quality monitoring. The workshop underscored the need for joint efforts between government agencies, industries and civil society to implement NCAP goals. This initiative reflects Meghalaya's strong commitment to environmental protection, contributing to national efforts aimed at reducing pollution and fostering climate resilience across India.
Ngida po La Nicolas Resort habang ipanlong yung workshop kabagi ang air pollution mitigation. Kani workshop ni panlong nakapang katlang yung industries na po Bernihad kung babiti ka Bernihad layo ay katak bagay ka ba most polluted hagalin jungle air. Tentang katlang yung po Bernihad bat kumjuru ang niya po umyam industrial estate. Tengi katlang yung exports ki badai page gini ki bachna ki tier ban khoj ki filter ki air pa comparator. Jidon skibe ki companies one ki badai purely ki monitoring. Ta kalong ka platform ka balawan ra kanang makin yo jimentoy marngi khubor na population bo jungi ang yiki bangim dei tangban pensitom yiki hande mengi ngin don ka laru banira yiki kumut kuno ka kam ladangi trelangi po sa katong ladangi mitreng impo ta kumentay ngai i bon ha ki jimentoy ki ngai bagi industries kila yo connection bat kini ki bru ki ba snai ki tier pollution control ki bala igi monitoring tanga iba overall kini ka jing perlu jungi mana kasih kalau ke bahasa iso. Karai jungi kan kumbala itu lupa pi kini ke platform kalong ban penitu ye kibru industries bat kini kiba deban le ke monitoring kiba supply ni ba manufacture ye kini ki air pollution control device. Tekat kanang ban bakin duptip maman ka por kiban singi ki ang bangi ko ban le gani hentengim ti ban kontak yeno tengi pa di office pa de nagi pos ki por kiban ki baru ki basna kini ki tier bonjak kat kum ke juk ka bamta kanang ban yo ban control ni ban penduna ya jing pencapok ki ki liar ki wa ta ba kum ta ngi ki baru ki basna ki wan singi ki baru ki ba apply ki wan singi tengi sna kum kan ni ka workshop ni ka platform ban connect ma yaki dalam bagi ni yang mentoy temun ngiru la de ki bru hi ki industries ki trap ban tre rangkat ki KA kini kita teknologi thamai kin incorporate hapo jong ki tekebut kata ka jing jabo jang ale alhamdulillah nama gimpwa ba ko umyam ru kan longkum ke Bernihad banyo ya tak kata ngi persyak ka bangila na galin jong iba ka katak hi ke Bernihad hi ke dei ka ke Shillong lene ka tahun ke Khubor alia na pada ngusurong Shillong ke dei Assam bat ka Meghalaya tiga data kumbang Meghalaya ong bon sem bengi iban hi data ki ba generate ang to kam dei ke data ka bangi yo na Meghalaya ka data ka dei ko yo na po CAQMS betan po kasfos dan reng mu ko aban ong ban ya kan no mar liak han reng i ba mentak daga jing sim khia jung tirang ba jungi dan brom jungi tiga Assam lo kala sedang mandele ngi ba kila sedang mania monitor ban inspect han reng kham chang ngim ju khami i tementala da boro arlian ngi ya monitor le jung jong bentar na trai nginyo ahi kata result ke bagi dei ben yo.
The National Rabies Control Program (NRCP) and the District Medical Health Officer (DMNHO) West Khasi Hills organized a public awareness meeting at Ryangdo Market to educate people on rabies prevention and treatment. The event was conducted by the Sordar of Ryangdo with Ba CP Maukon, SDO Civil, as the chief guest. Dr. Valerie Lalu, Dr. Eldakar and Z. Marak were also present. The chief guest highlighted those 3 rabies deaths had occurred in the district and urged people to treat dog bites seriously. Experts explained rabies prevention, animal care and treatment methods. A quiz was also held to test public awareness, followed by anti-rabies vaccinations for dogs.
Nasi keren kenjat bagi doktor kenjat orang kamu ke jeng yap jong ki priu nagniga district jongi au mentau senang yang lagu nunggu lainwut mentau senang di yap lainwut anam ta jini ki ka rabis ne ka bi ke bagi yo nagi jingdai jong ki so tani nagi jiri ke bagi dan di kuat man on pi pai ba kam Masmoha ban ketika ba diberi dengan kimde bansu yap nomor ba syadaj haki jiri juki kumna so te kani ketiga sni ban pen kemau ini we ba kadon kelak matrai doktor insapatai baha pak injection kini tai bun ba kembali na bani sim namba da ilan injection ngamtit lada naka veterinary kilaya laki don laboratory ni yang mengenai bidang laboratory bagi paiba bagi paiba ki baru yang juri juki so kang bagi laban ai injection juki.
Leaders of Panalyar Dor Barshnong Jowai, held by Waheshnong Rikwoma RQ Lalu and General Secretary Maringkat Singkon, met with Dr. E. Shulet, Medical Superintendent of MCH Hospital, to address concerns over job recruitment. They reminded hospital authorities of prior agreements to prioritize local youths for smaller posts. While acknowledging the role of the District Selection Committee, they expressed concern over alleged secret appointments. Lalu also noted political interference in recruitment matters. The Dorbar also raised an issue regarding the burial of a fetus less than a month old. They proposed setting guidelines requiring such cases to be handled in the family's native villages, aiming to establish proper procedures and maintain community norms.
Em ke jing le habra yang ki hewo tulep ya ikon bo I waklat yang duwi ke dekar tu em hapo ganika tu habka hapo ni hospital da yo ke report ko wa tikna wani le hayato wakate hewo uchimi ye ke jing tip ko tikna na ke doktor jadi yo ke jing tip ko tikna na ke doktor hayato wa ita ikon bo da daman hi ko wa hun hi na liang ke chnong le mto wa ongi wa percha ete handrai I ki ke suggestion kau memtok dia boleh lagi kami ni ni cemat yoman hingga ke kam kau wa umho penting itu dia keram au kau wa I tak ada kain I kerpang I hedok kata-kata hai wa kiwan lada em kam kita kijing dia kiwa ni cemat le wa ki doctors lembaga ni ke MCH lembaga MS ki yang ki ubu ki an ki kendon kiwa kini gua jia hai nagaman bai gua jia le ni nagayung ke sem gua jia untuk klep ki cheni to ura ki cha I khau bahau yang ki dah hai to an wagani ki thungkam thungjam da kular hi ka MS wakat wa ye wala to uchim phya ga yong ga chnong iwa dang ye ka po I bor yong ka hanrai bom ye ka po I bor yong ka da ngiu ong yuan la I nai liang ga chnong I em de ku bitwan ruti po lai lu ki he to ai ni I wi he iwa pen snyau ka MS wa snyau si wa ong ga wan wari ki ni ki pressure group ki san halang ki wa lali ki penbor jika yo blek jiki kam tu bonjat he to thung kam thung jam kani pun snya ka langba kani ka media hi langba ki yo tip lang hi wro wa ka chnong pan liar hi na do na chwa do kat ni yin ga ga jo dan hi ka rai ka wa no e lat ka jiki wan ki brusemen ki wan ki san niam la ne ki wan ki san semen la ne ki wan ki san bhalang o wan interfere ki hapo ga chnong ga thau yang I ye benta I kam I wa ga chnong yang I la hai wan hi ni benta la wat ki department sarkar ro le I ne liang ke chunong jo khang perchai le ule ge wan ikam le da jingtip ke chunong takat wakam te I bo e jing tu ya waro hi optip ye ni mong ong wa to wa ki sen bhalang le ne ki wan mbie ki le ye itai kam I wa ki ikam ram yang ki wud bo ge khmat online nei benta jing pha I le dom hoi tang wa ke chunong to optip ka khmat ke chunong hapo opur sam yang ka ga Khubor ko ha khledo kawaka mpriang go ye iwan yo le ki witawan go wan hapo opur sam yang ka de klem jing tip yang ka ta khnang yo le na go wan ke jing wit jing thot ke jing is now tho bakla churup lang bo ki witawan mi chkhmat dei wa ule iwan ikam nei benta ikam bha yang upai ba mi chkhmat dei wa ke chnong le utip lang go u e ke chnong I bor pi yo le pi ye ki wan ikam nei benta iwa bha ha ki imlang ka sa lang ta nei liang yang I to ke ta dan hi ka jing pen snyao yo snyao langi perlok perjor hilung ba kan nika channel ko ni media ko pen snyao I ta yuluti o ye jing ikra lang hi ro gwi hai wa ke chnong hile em hi jing dawa yang ka I bon ne benta ka hai to health department.
The registered pharmacists of Meghalaya, led by Amos John Samla, addressed the media on April 11th to highlight the suspension of pharmacist posts in government hospitals, PHCs, CHCs and dispensaries. Citing RTI findings, Samla revealed numerous vacancies in government health centers, discouraging qualified pharmacy graduates. He also pointed out that the state government has failed to renew the Meghalaya Pharmacists Council, affecting employment opportunities and health care delivery. Samla urged the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to intervene, stressing that proper staffing is essential for timely and quality access to medicines. He further criticized the government for not adhering to the Indian public health standard, impacting the overhealth infrastructure in the state.
Yaban report report di semua NEHU ada jangan mengeksen. Itu di register pharmacist kita register apa jalan nila dan di kerdan benar-benar coba background pemikir pharmacist. Tegani kesin keba labun si pemikir pharmacist nila hai khmat sorka yang utah di sini coba di keren yang government hai bede packaging I khunswat ke joki packaging le om sotnya joki ini ya ki pharmacist hapo ke jalan hoi nila keren lebar di social media nila bhar pada sisi kaba hausnya beradab kan ko kesiti ke bhar hai madam menteri kali absau rek berapa pra josna ada absau ni lembaga jengha kejungi yang kesiti ila welcome ni guru ini how abkhrai trek how absau trek ni khnai arja absau kali ini cibnai ka bani pha hai kesiti si te ini jengha kejungi siti kali bobun hai kimat Tinilio dari kelu ini, kemak kebenaran menilio menekran kalau hal ini berkala tungkam tunjang. Nomor ila bulut kespak kau, ila bulut yang buat kamtak, buat yang kecil dan mengiwat yang kacang dan kisah. Di lembaga RTI di Meghalaya ke pus pharmacist kapubun iklam advice kan berisik.
Following the resignation of Professor S. Sungo as Pro-Vice Chancellor and her appointment as Acting Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, NEHU, members of NEHUTA and NEHUNSA gathered in front of the Vice Chancellor's office to congratulate her. NEHUTA President Professor Lakhon Kama expressed gratitude, stating that Professor Sungo's new role reflects the aspirations of NEHU's teachers and students. He emphasized that as acting Vice-Chancellor, she holds full authority to manage the university's affairs independently.
India rules kat kumka UC regulation 2018 kat kumka model CRR pada yiki non teaching staff post hila benle penuh ka kam lemda dan kam ka jingbit na usukla tamut pilong be vice chancellor bapura ngakmi lenti bangi kumka seng in ai ka jika shan ka bapura ba ila pen urlong yiki ta jik thumu bat pen bet yiki kondum kana mapoka university kana mangitip vice chancellor marwai kimla benle e ka don kami ka jingya snok tilang ini khamtam ka seng ni huta ni unsa bat ka ni husu ini trelang namun tak kajing hajo kena university but ngin pen scam mega keti jongi ba in la ben shong ha kate ka shuki ba le ki kam kat kumba de ben le vice chancellor nama le kade ka hok jongi mata la shong te kum the senior most professor kat kum ka statues jongi nama ka statues ka sha ba ya senior most professor ha ba don vice chancellor senior most professor nama nitip kata kajing tung PVC ni la kentai nadu benai November arjar abusau te ni comment shikade e ba ila shimti kum vice chancellor ngin ong kum acting vice chancellor ka sin gila ong acting vice chancellor mut udehi vice chancellor idehi vice chancellor in shong ente shuki imdon kamban kali yano yonoru imdon kamban kali ka ministry imdon kamban kali yo shukla ila ban le kono ka kam ba vice chancellor ni ka vice chancellor ka de ban le ila ban le da shong ente shuki ni comment ba kata ni ye langkhana ne bangin ai khubule ya i bat iki khon ka seng duni bagi la ai ka jingkershan ya ka nehuta kumjo ya ka nehunsa mangila ya trelang ya ki bina bala der hado la poi ka klimbat ba la don sisa i vice chancellor acting ba in nimdon kamsu yo shuklang ni ka university in peniat ki acting vice chancellor kat ba sha kapor sila de kapor pada ngin sa kan kumbai nama ka an ka sha ni ban bo next acting vice chancellor pada senior most hadi terlihat shwai ki no mi ba tre ban shim ya kan ka tingi so manage ka de ai kuble ka media nama pila ya
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.